It's me, Mila Martinico, aka Mama Mila, and I am back with another recipe for you. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. So my husband, growing up, we had like really different childhoods. I am like, off the boat Italian, and Matteo is, his grandparents came from Italy, so he's, second generation? I think, yeah. But his family tried to assimilate way more than mine did. He had this like breakfast brunch bake that I'm pretty sure my mother-in-law, not surprisingly, did not give me the right recipe for, so I had to figure it out. Well, I've made that for the, 15 years we've been together. And last month, I was like, you know what? Freaking want a Monte Cristo so bad. And I don't know if Monte Cristos just aren't a thing in Tennessee, but like in Cali, they have a Monte Cristo. I mean, it's like freaking deep fried, like Disneyland Monte Cristo, right? So I thought, you know what? I bet I could make a Monte Cristo breakfast bake. So I came up with this recipe and it's freaking delicious. I usually do this for Thanksgiving morning because I know I'm gonna be cooking all day, or Christmas morning I like to make this, just like holiday mornings, but this is something you can bring to your friend's house, whatever. It's delicious. So if you're craving a Monte Cristo, like my big old pregnant butt, let's go and make this amazing Monte Cristo breakfast bake. Let's start off with our ingredients. So you can either use 10 slices of brioche bread, or if they're out of it, surprise, surprise, King's Hawaiian rolls, ripped up. And you just rip your bread up, right? We're gonna use 10 eggs. We're gonna melt a stick of butter. Don't judge me. We've got 2 cups of Gruyere and Swiss. And I have 10 ounces of Black Forest ham cut up, just like deli ham. And the same with turkey. Salt, we need this Dijon mustard. And I've got 2 cups of whole milk. And let's put it together. Okay, first we're going to dump our cheese into our bread. Then we're going to do our ham and then our turkey. And we're gonna mix it all up and combine. And then we're gonna put it into our buttered dish. So first we're gonna add in a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna crack in 10 eggs. We're gonna mix it all up. And now it's time to pour it right over our breakfast bake. We are going to pour our egg mixture evenly over all the bread and deli meat and cheese. And you didn't think I forgot the butter, did ya? Next comes the butter. We're gonna pour a stick of butter evenly over the whole top. Then we're gonna wrap it with saran wrap and we're gonna put it in the fridge overnight. Let's pretend it's the next morning. And here we are with our beautiful brunch bake. What we're gonna do is take off the top. And let me tell you, this is the best part about it, because you gotta wake up at the butt crack of dawn on Christmas and you just throw it in an oven, a nice cold oven, and then turn it to 350 degrees. And we are gonna cook it for we need to put foil on it. We're gonna put foil on it and cook it for 40 minutes. And then we are gonna take it off and cook it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until all the butter makes this all golden brown. And then you'll see what we do next. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't that look so perfect for Christmas morning? Well, let's pretend it's Christmas. I'm really excited to taste this. And of course I got the corner piece because that's where it's all crispy. Oh yeah. I topped it. I just heated up some blackberry jam on the stove. Topped it with the jam and topped it with this powdered sugar. Oh, God. If you're craving a Monte Cristo and you can't find one, let me tell you, this is like where it's at because it's like sweet, it's salty. God, sweet and salty, so good. I'm putting this down before I make this even more awkward than it has to be. Thank you so much for coming into my kitchen again and spending time with me. Don't forget that I love you. I love seeing you at the restaurant. I love serving you. I love when you come into my kitchen. I love when you spend time with me, but I love you. And I know you love me too. So don't forget to like and subscribe on all the things. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. What else am I missing? YouTube. Oh my God, this is on YouTube. Haha. And YouTube. Like and subscribe. I love you. I'll see you next time here in my kitchen. Tanti baci. Ciao.